Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel English with Hassan 1, where we help you learn English smarter, faster, and with more confidence.
Rules of making verbs plus ing, especially action verbs. So the problem the students face is that when we tell them to make verb plus ing, they just add ing to the verb, which is not correct most of the time, because there are rules that you should know and practice and do. So let's see. So now, because we are going to move to the third group of verb plus ing, and we are going to see a rule. But before we see the rule, we need to know the vowels and the consonants. Why? Because our rule depends on the vowels and consonants. We are going to see. So to remind you that we have 5 English vowels, 5 letters. So the vowels in English are A, E, I, O, U. Let's repeat after me. The English vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So these are the English vowels. We need them, huh? Now let's see the English consonants. So the vowels, we have 5 vowels, and the consonants we have the rest, 21 letters. So the consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z or Z. So these are the English consonants. So let's go to the rule number group 3. So rule group 3, verbs ending in a consonant. So the consonants are B, C, D, etc. to Z. So if we have a verb that ends with these letters and before it there is one vowel, we double the last consonant. Let's see the first example. The first example is begin. So what is the last letter? It's N. N is a consonant or a vowel? Of course, it's a consonant. It's not a vowel. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So here we have N. So N is a consonant. And what do we have before N? We have I. It's a vowel. And before I, we have a consonant. So it means we don't have 2 vowels before N. So this is the rule. If we have a verb that ends with a consonant and before it one vowel, we double the last consonant. For example, here, the last consonant is N. We are going to double the N. Begin, beginning, beginning. Begin, beginning, beginning. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.